Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with a Telfar bag haul video. I'm super excited, you guys. I just got my Telfar bags in the mail from the bag security program, and I just wanted to show you guys what they look like. So this is what the bag first looks like when you open the box and you see the plastic cover and the dust bag on the inside. The plastic cover does have the Telfar symbol established 2005 NYC on the front. And once you take that off and you reveal the white dust bag, the Telfar symbol it's on the opposite side of the bag. I'm gonna show you guys, but it's there. So let's get into it, y'all. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to wear this bag. I got it in Grape. Grape is the color of this, and I believe it's vegan leather. So that's the material you're working with. And I just want to show you guys how it looks in comparison to the website. Like, the color is just spot on. It's the exact same color, y'all. And this purple, it looks even better in person. Like, it's super nice. Anyway, so comes with this little tab on the back. There is like a crease in the back of the bag once you open it for the small bags, but that does go away once you start putting stuff in it. And they have this little tab for the straps. There's 2 crossbody straps at the top and then 2 straps at the handle. So that's the way it looks, y'all. So I just want to show you guys what the inside looks like. The inside also has that nice, beautiful purple grape color. Just, to match the outside of the bag. As you can see, it's a little space in there. There's no like pockets or anything. You just have a little snap closure and the little Telfar symbol inside. I also wanted to show you guys what it looked like against different colors. I got this dress at Target, and that's what the grape color looks like with that Wild Fable dress from Target. And this is what it looks like next to a lavender dress. I got this dress at Fashion Nova. And this is what the grape color looks like, just up against lavender. It goes so pretty with that. And this is a white and purple dress from Shein that I got. And that's what it looks like against the white. It's just so pretty, y'all. All right, so here's the next bag. Again, it has that same clear bag and dust bag on the inside. All right, y'all, so here's that Telfar symbol that's on the outside of the white dust bag. I didn't show you guys in the first bag, but that's what it looks like. And this gray, y'all, is super nice as well. I'm so happy with it. It's more of like a charcoal gray. It's really dark gray. It's not as light as like a heather gray or, just a light gray. It's just like a darker charcoal gray. All right, y'all, here's the inside, and the inside is a dark gray color as well. And this is what it looks like against a heather gray dress from Fashion Nova. All right, y'all, here's the next bag. And again, this is another mini bag. It's the smallest bag they have. Alright, y'all, so this color is listed on Telfar's website as cream. It's cream colored and it's super cute, y'all, super cute. And again, the inside does have that matching cream color and the little secret Telfar pocket on the inside. This is what it looks like against a white colored jumpsuit. I got this on Pretty Little Thing. And this is what it looks like against a cream dress. I got this from Miss Lola. And that's just, you know, for color reference so you guys can see what the color looks like against different tones. And this is against a chocolate brown dress. Here's for the next one, you guys. Let's see what we got. This is the white bag. Is listed on Telfar's website as white. And I gotta say, I wasn't too happy with this one, only because I thought it was gonna be more of a whiter white, if that makes any sense. But it's more of like an off-white than it is like, you know, pure white. It's just like kind of like an eggshell white. And here's the next bag, y'all. I could not help myself. There are so many nice colors. I can't wait for the next bag security program. I might get like a few more. Hopefully not too many. And this color is listed on Telfar's website as pool blue. And y'all, it definitely is the color of a pool. Like it's pretty accurate. All right, and the inside of that bag, you have that pretty blue on the inside as well. And a little secret Telfar pocket. And on to the next bag. All right, y'all, so this color is orange. It's listed on Telfar's website as orange, and it is very orange. It's 100% accurate. Really cute, beautiful, vibrant orange. It's like perfect for summer, you guys. And the inside, again, that matching, just nice, pretty, vibrant orange color, and that secret Telfar pocket, and the snap closure. Alright, y'all, so this color is pink, but on Telfar's website is listed as bubblegum. So it's, again, so pretty. It's like a light pastel pink. It is very much bubblegum, and it's really cute in person, y'all. So if you had any questions about getting this bag, you should get it. It's definitely cute. Perfect for spring, perfect for summer, all of that. And again, that inside just matching that pretty pink, that bubblegum pink color on the inside, again with that secret Telfar pocket on the inside. All right, y'all. So this is the last Telfar bag I got. I got this one just on the website. They just dropped it, and I was so excited because this is perfect for fall. It's the perfect fall color. It's listed on Telfar's website as tan, and let me tell you guys, it's just such a nice bag. I mean, I just so excited and cannot wait to wear it in the fall. And I got the larger one this time because I just need to carry everything. Some days I don't want no big, no tiny bag. I want a nice large bag where I can stick all my stuff in there, because that's what I'm gonna do. And put my computer, books, anything. And I just wanted to show you guys for a size comparison. This is the small cream bag next to the tan medium bag. So that's what the tan medium bag looks like, small cream bag, and the two of them together, so you can see for size comparison. All right, well, thanks for watching my channel, and I hope to see you guys again soon. And guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.